Probably won't set 10 hours in that summer. Just got up here to Rainer, a job that's just a few minutes from the shop. I need to get that picked up. We had to take care of a few things while we were up here, address some things. Hydrants, meters. We've got to pour the floors in these, suck all that out. Got some things to do here. Man, honestly though, pretty excited about how these guys finished this out this week. This month, I should say. But no, I'm proud of these guys persevering on this. I hate when one superintendent starts a job, another one finishes it. It's just usually such an absolute nightmare to deal with. One takes over, etc. But no, it looks like the gas and electrical guys are fixing to take over. And we are setting box tops. Finally, we've been waiting on box tops for months and a few boxes. Water's done, fixing to put it under pressure. That's what Zeus is working on right now. The boys are up front tying in, I believe, the last box and getting lid on it. And then we got a little surprise here in just a minute. What's up, Boudreaux?
Hello. How's it going?
Hello, he says. You can always tell when you call Jesus because it's this very defined hello. Every time, no matter if he's pissed off, hey, how you doing? Hello. Did you figure it out? No?
Not
Maybe?
Today. We're gonna get a...
Oh, ball.
Yeah, Levi's gonna let us borrow his 300-foot hose, and I'm gonna get a blower, and then I'm gonna just pull it through tomorrow.
Okay. They seem like they're pulling string to get their mandrel in, hopefully.
Yeah, they went through and they tested everything. The only section they need is this one. So we'll go through and find where it's leaking.
Fix it.
Yeah. See what
Electricians, I'm assuming?
Yeah, electricians are up here, and then the gas guys, I think. Oh, actually, I think those are the gas guys, and the electricians finished up today.
I have a tough time with that backhoe breaker. Oh my dude, the rock up here was insane. This right here in just this little specific area too was just absolutely gnarly. 6-8 inches and with a 360 80,000 pound hoe. So pretty crazy. Got a surprise coming for you, Jesus. Gonna be here in just a minute.
Nice and shiny.
Nice and shiny. Did we get water line under pressure?
Not today. We're gonna throw that coordination port on with all the testing back.
Fair enough.
We'll be ready to. We'll probably load it tomorrow.
Fair enough. Fair enough. And we got all the boxes. Got all the box tops.
All installed.
Hey, Zeus, or Dylan and Levi, we were on the phone. He gave him green light on pouring the floors and the collars on them, so we can get that done at whatever point.
I think it'll probably be Bill next week.
That dude's gonna be pouring a lot of concrete here lately, huh?
Yeah. Concrete guy, Bill.
Oh, concrete guy, Bill. Hey, so what are you doing with him on Friday?
He's pouring Friday.
Up there, Busy Minds?
Yeah, they got 9 yards scheduled for Friday morning. He wanted like 6 a.m., but I think they're doing like 9 a.m.
Okay. You have that 360 parked up there. Are they gonna pull it? Do they want that truck to pull in over there, or?
That one's the easiest one to pull into, but it's pretty dusty over there. I don't know.
Is it?
Get any dust on the new machine.
What are they doing up there? Working in on the last box, or?
Yeah, they're putting in the water crossing. I think that's the second to last. We got one in the middle. IHO was there pumping up that manhole, so they can put it in. So, yeah, they did all the water crossing today, so pretty quick.
No way. Old stud. Old stud and the loader over there, huh? Yeah.
It's good, isn't it?
Nice and smooth, baby.
He knows how to run a loader. Don't let him lie to you.
Is it just you two, or who else is here?
It's just us two.
Really? Finishing her up. Did all the crossings in one day.
All the crossings?
Right here?
No, calm down. No, we didn't do all that. No.
Half of them.
Yeah. No, yeah. There's
Like
over
this
half
road
of
that
them.
we're looking at right here. All the crossings I'm looking at, right?
No, sir. No. So we got 3 doubles done today, so 6 crossings altogether.
Dude, okay. That's awesome
Yeah.
still.
So those all got knocked out.
He said,
able to get
chill,
to-
bro, chill.
We weren't able to get to any in the center because I've been sitting there working with all that crap all day. And then we had to work on a storm line over here because this morning there was a mishap. So
Was there?
it got fixed. But it's out of the way. It's gone now.
Okay, cool. I don't want to know about it. We did get greenlit to pour all of these deal. I think Bill's gonna probably come up and do that next week. He's got a better understanding of inverts and all of that.
Got started screen.
I saw
Exactly how to
that.
turn it on. It's literally fully starting. The electronics getting them primed. So the second you turn it over, it's already good to go.
Fair enough.
Not
Go
having to
ahead.
Wait on a blue
Who
screen.
wants the honor?
Oh, I'll take it off. Unless you, okay, as long as they didn't freak out about, oh my god. That's my first time, bub. I'm kidding. That's a joke. Look at them damn screens, dude. Hey, my God, full tank of fuel. Look at them go.
Yeah,
That's like,
well, we have to be nice.
God, this is massive.
Grab it again. Pull it up again. There you go.
I would have ran 5,000 hours, never saw that.
330s, dude. They're sweet machines. These things are freaking decked out. It's like, if it's cold outside, you don't want to go and let the drop. All you're doing
Kind of speechless.
so you don't even, the boys don't have to get up top and do inspection. They can literally just open one.
Yeah, it does. I never even saw that. Is that nicer than the rental? I hope so. Well, if we fuck it up, it's our job. I'd say let's probably get some QR codes of videos of grease points, so whoever's on this machine, she's gonna need a tube.
Yeah.
But it's all right there if you see. Nice knowing you, girl. Hey, she's good to us. She was good to us. Special, dude. It's cool, man. It really is. Dude, let's do it.
Yeah.
We got the machine to do it. It's on my trust now, you know?
That's my thing, dude. She got the reach, she got the power, she's got damn near Sam reaches 330. You can take this boom, fully extend it, take one good scoop all the way back, and if you can extend that across the ditch, you've got enough pipe, you can set your pipe in there and know that you can get a full bucket still directly in between there to keep on digging, never have to worry about fallbacks. So.
No, that's just unreal, man. That's just literally unreal. I don't even know what to say. I've talked about it so damn long, I didn't think it's actually gonna happen. It sure as shit did, didn't it, boys? God bless, dude. That's so cool, man. Thank y'all. Unreal, man. Unreal. Probably won't fucking set 10 hours in that son of a...
I hope you get a day where you just get to sit in there and play with that thing.
Dude, I hope I get to take it to my house one day.
You will love every second being in there.
Dude, it's unreal. Well, y'all, that's just... 66, it's right around 70K, 71,000 pounds, I think, with the big bucket on her. We got a 36-inch, and then we got our small 30-inch bucket. So we got 3 buckets we can choose from. Didn't want a thumb, not for doing this. That didn't make sense. And I didn't want it in the brush anyways.
100%, yeah.
If it was gonna be a brush machine, I'd stick a thumb on that. But by the time you stuck a thumb, coupler, there's 30, 40 grand in a machine that, and cylinder may go any day. It's 300 grand sitting there, but over 5 years, it's a little different story. Paint it with it, subdivision after subdivision. You guys got good cold AC. We get a little bit of money this winter. I'd like to tint all these windows again. This one, 308, 305. I know, dude, trust me. Once you get in a machine with it, you're like, you can't fucking run it without it. I get it, trust me.
I don't know about that, dude. I'm not a fan of tinted windows, dude. On machines, you can't do it. Whenever it's first thing in the morning, you're sitting there, dude, and you're closed up and you still can't see out of that thing, you're like, Kevin.
You ain't sat in this thing 13 hours yet.
That's fair.
Come talk to me after that. The first session, you'll pop out of that thing and go, dude, I can barely see straight, bro. I squinted all day with sunglasses, bud. That is incredible, dude. God's good. I don't know what to tell y'all. Go blow up on somebody else's job. Hasta fucking luego, pinche luego.